First, take out of all items from the package. Package contains manual, monitor, USB power cable, video cable, power cord, camera, bracket, T-tacks. Pick up the bracket. Loosen the nut and the bracket can be adjusted flexibly. Put the nut into the ball and press it into the bracket. Tighten the nut. After adjusting the angle, tighten the nut. You can tear off the protective film on the bottom of the bracket and install it on the dashboard. Press the bracket to expel the air. Pull down the exhaust buckle to fix it. Align the large notch on the back of the monitor. Push firmly into the small notch. Remove the protective film from the bracket. Place it on the dashboard or windshield. After adjusting the angle of the monitor, tighten the nut. Press the bracket to expel the air. Pull down the exhaust buckle to fix it. Pick up the camera. There are 6 LED lights and a sensor on the camera. Remove the protective film from the camera before use. Flexible camera angle adjustment. Pick up the USB power cord. Connect the 4-pin connector of the video cable with DC connector to the monitor. Connect the 4-pin connector of the video cable without the DC connector to the camera. Connect one end of the DC video cable to the USB power cable. Plug the USB connector into a USB port on the vehicle. The blue indicator light on the USB power cable is on, indicating power on. The monitor lights up and the image appears on the screen. Connect the 4-pin connector of the video cable with DC connector to the camera. Connect the 4-pin connector of the video cable without the DC connector to the monitor. Connect the DC connector of the video cable to the power cord. The black wire is connected to the negative of the ground, reversing lights, tail lights or license plate lights. The red wire is connected to the positive of the reversing lights, tail lights or license plate lights. The monitor lights up and the image appears on the screen. There are 3 keys on the back of the monitor: up key, M key, down key. Press the up key to turn on/off the guide line. When the guide line appears on the screen, press the M key. The H appears on the screen. Press the up or down key to moving the guide line left or right. Press the M key. The V appears on the screen. Press the up or down key to adjust the height of the guide line. Press the M key. The W appears on the screen. Press the up or down key to adjust the width of the guide line. Press the M key to switch to the brightness. Press the up or down keys to adjust the brightness. Press the M key to switch to the contrast. Adjust the contrast, saturation, and tint parameters in turn. Press the M key to switch to the language. Press the up or down keys to select the language you need. Press the M key to switch to the parking line on. Press the up or down keys to turn on/off the guide line. Press the M key to switch to the reset. Now demonstrate the function of the reset function. When you encounter an interface that doesn't operate well, such as a guideline that goes to the bottom right corner, presses the M key to switch to the reset. Press the up or down keys to turn on the reset function. After the reset is complete, the system will automatically return to factory settings. Press the sensor with your finger. The LED light will light up. If you think the LED light of the camera is too dazzling, you can cut off the green thin wire. The monitor is in mirror mode by default. Cut off the white thin line and restart the monitor to automatically switch to front view mode.
The process of connecting the camera to the lamp line. T-taps. T-taps has 2 holes and 1 hole is closed. The long line is the line of the lamp or the circuit line on the car. Thrust the car light line into the first hole. Camera power cord. Plug the power cord into the second hole. Iron sheets. Clamp the iron sheet to the tap's bottom.